Hi, I'm Dr. Sam Sunshine. I'm here today to talk to you about fitness testing. At OC Sports and Wellness, we have a way to establish your fitness level using state-of-the-art technology. I enjoy working with competitive athletes and also with patients who are motivated to improve their fitness.
What is fitness testing?
Fitness testing is an exercise challenge that ascertains your health status and physical fitness. By performing an exercise test, we can determine your exercise capacity, how well your muscles utilize oxygen during exercise, or V02max, and your maximum heart rate.
My experience with OC Sports and Wellness has been fabulous. I came in to do some VO2 testing to really figure out what my heart rate zone should be, and specifically my LT. The staff here has just been great. They've really taken me through the whole process, very knowledgeable, friendly, and explained everything to me to where I know exactly what my numbers are and what they mean. The benefits from going through the V02 max testing is that now I can really know exactly what my LT threshold is. I do a lot of training based on wattage and also on heart rate. And I don't do a lot of volume, I do a lot of quality work, and a lot of that quality work's intervals that I need to get right up to my threshold, my lactate threshold, and get right up there and sometimes go beyond it. So knowing what that is and being able to know what my zones are, heart rate zones are, has helped me dramatically in my training.
How is VO2 max determined?
In our office, we use a gas exchange method to determine your maximum oxygen consumption during exercise, or VO2 max. We can also determine your maximum heart rate and your lactate threshold. This is the most precise method for measuring these values. You can be measured on a treadmill, on your bike, or both.
V02 max testing, it saved my life 18 years ago. I was feeling a little under the weather. I'd been through testing before. It had been a little over 6 months from the time that I was having difficulty the prior test. I went in and saw the doctor, and he put me on a treadmill, did a quick test, and we went off to the hospital from there. If anybody's even considering VO2 max testing, then they should do it. If they're a runner or a cyclist or a swimmer or any aerobic type exercise, they should be tested. Regardless of how they feel, they should have a baseline testing at least, and then follow up whatever that is recommended.
Why test VO2 max?
For the general population, knowing your fitness level is the single best indicator of your overall health. Those who are fit have higher VO2 max values and can exercise more intensely than those who are not well conditioned. While most people are fixated on their cholesterol level, knowing your fitness level is far more important. For competitive athletes, training at the proper intensity level is crucial to improving your athletic performance and staying injury-free.
What is lactate threshold testing, and why is it so important?
First, let me tell you about lactate threshold testing. It's the point during exercise where we go from an aerobic state to an anaerobic state. In other words, we go from burning carbohydrates and fats to strictly just burning carbohydrates. Training in an aerobic state is more efficient than training in an anaerobic state. Establishing your lactate threshold is important to competitive athletes because the biggest training breakthrough in the past 20 years is training in heart rate zones. So, to achieve optimum training, your heart rate zones should be based around your lactate threshold. Lastly, it is best to retest every 3 to 4 months, as your lactate threshold changes dramatically with changes in your fitness level.
If you are a competitive athlete or simply want to know your level of fitness, schedule your fitness testing today. OC Sports and Wellness, get fit for life.